This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Samsung washing machine that isn't draining, and this could also be true for the LG washing machine. They're very similar. Down in the lower left-hand corner, there's a little door that you can open up, and there's a thing in there called the coin trap, and sometimes it's clogged with debris. Pretty easy to take care of it. All you got to do is open up that door by pushing in on it. It should spring open, and then you can drain out using this little tube any water that might be in there. You might have to do this maybe even up to 10 times to get rid of all the water. Make sure you got all the water out of this little tube and then unscrew the coin trap. You may find there's a bunch of junk caught in there. Sometimes though, even though you clean out the coin trap, there's actually something caught a little further in. Behind the coin trap, there's a little tube. Look in there carefully. You may find something caught. In this particular machine, the coin trap was cleared of some debris, but it still wouldn't drain. And behind that coin trap in a little tube, there was a small baby sock. I was able to pull it out with a pair of long needle nose pliers, but you could even use something like an extended coat hanger with a hook, and you could reach in and pull out. Sometimes these little things get caught in there and prevent the machine from draining. That's actually the tube where the water goes from the tub over to the drain motor before it exits. So here's the needle nose pliers pulling out the little baby sock, and that got this machine going in less than 5 minutes. So hopefully this will help you with your machine too. Sometimes it's actually the drain motor is no longer working, but oftentimes it's some kind of an obstacle. Hope that helps you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and we'll send you a lot more home repair videos. Thanks again.